Hey guys, it's Patty again. In today's video, I'm just quickly going to show you how I'm using gravel to improve the curb appeal of my front door. I have cemented walkways that come up to my front door, and I hardly use it because I think they're the grossest thing. They're just not the best. All the years I've lived here, I always promise myself, oh, I'll save money and sort of fix it, but all the quotes that I get is just too much that I simply can't afford it. So I decided, since I use gravel for a lot of things, why not just use gravel to temporary fix it, right? Use gravel to fix what I have now, and then maybe give it 2 or 3 more years and then fix it, because I'm falling in love with this place and love it. So I'm gonna take you outside and show you. The entire project cost me less than $15. I always get my gravel at a place that sells gravel in bulk. The reason why I do that is if you go there, depending on what you're looking for, they sell bags for $3, $6, and once you buy the bag, you just get a shovel, and they tell you to get as much gravel as you want. So you can get half a bag, it will be $6. You can get a full bag, it will be $6. Okay. So what I did was I bought 2 bags, and then I just went and shoveled as much as I needed. The gravel in the picture is limestone chips. I'm gonna put it in here in case someone is wondering what the name is. And then the one you see on my driveway is called Old English Blue. I'm in Connecticut. I don't know, they should have it in other states as well. So I'm going to insert the receipt of how much I paid, and then I'm going to take you outside and show you the project. I've been doing it for the last 3 days. It's been very hot here, so I'm just taking it very easy, but it's almost done now. So I'm going to take you out and show you before and after of what how this has helped improve my my front steps. Hey guys, so this is the before steps, the old steps that I have. You can see it's all cemented. And then in the next slide here, you can see where I went to get the gravel. Every gravel is labeled, as you can see in the picture, so it's easy to go if you're new. And here are the bags that you get for $6 each. They have smaller bags that you can get for $3, but for my project I just opted for the big ones. And now here you see me doing the steps by myself. I think it was a fun project. The only thing I didn't like was that it was very hot, you know, and I really enjoyed doing it, and very easy. And here's a snapshot of how it's looking. You know, I took a little break and I was trying to trim the Pattisguilfordgardenct around there. And here you have the finished project. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate, subscribe, and like it. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.